Guys, this is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast. Today we got a Lamborghini Centenario, I think you say it. It's a 1/18 scale by Maisto. So let's open this up quick. Hopefully you can see it in the camera here when I try to do this. Here we go with the Maisto 1/18 scale Lamborghini Centenario. So let's see how Maisto did. Here's just a quick look of it, guys. There's the rear Centenario. Got the Italian colors. Got that exhaust, those beast tires. Ooh. There's the engine. We'll take a look at that 1 second. Here's the wheels. Looking good. It's got the Lambo symbol. We got their LP 774. 770's got to be horsepower, obviously, and then 4 must mean four-wheel drive, and then LP, I don't know, maybe Lamborghini Performance. I'm not sure what that means. Let me know in the comments if you know what that means. Yeah, it's got the carbon fiber look on the bottom there. Lamborghini symbol again. Got the mirrors, got a carbon fiber look to it, like a painted carbon fiber. There's the other wheel. Supposedly these little carbon fiber things on the real version are supposed to help cool the brakes. But obviously they put a lot of thought into this car for that amount of price, and there's only 20 made. So yeah, there's the front. Got another carbon fiber lit. Here would be the trunk with the hood scoops. So yeah, let's pop this trunk. Start with the boring part. Let's see how she looks. Not bad, you know, not carpeted or anything. Just a Maisto, but yeah, you could put something, you know, spot where you could, in the real version, you could put something. Put a couple Cheerios in there or something, you know, go cruising. But yeah, there she goes. All right, now let's whip to the engine. See how the engine looks on a Maisto 1/18 scale. Here we go. The engine got more carbon fiber look. Ooh, you see the V12? See it? Yeah. 6.5 liter V12, 770 horsepower. Not bad, Maisto, not bad. Got these little braces. Forgive me, I don't know if you'd call it the sway bar, strut bar, or just like engine brace, or I don't know. I'm not too informed on that, but yep, there's the engine. All right, now let's roll to the passenger door. Here we go. We're a mouse. We're about to hop in. I'm just playing, but here it is, Lamborghini. There's the little screen. They got something on there, kind of hard to tell. Got the little red push button start, which is what I love about Lambos. It's pretty sick. You lift that little button, and there's like a red button underneath. Got some carbon fiber on there. Here's the bucket seats. Obviously, they didn't put too much detail on the bucket seats, but and there's the seat belt. I don't think it comes out or anything, but it's just to kind of add a little character to it. It just looks plastic, like everything inside this car. But yeah, there she is. Now let's go look at the driver's side quick. This is probably the last Maisto I'm going to do, guys, unless there's some nice Maistos coming out, because I'm going towards nice cars. So I'm going to do a 1/18 scale and like Auto Arts and other nice cars. So stick with this channel, subscribe if you aren't already, because the cars are about to get real fun here. Be more fun to review when they get more high detail, because that's obviously what I like. It's quality. So there is the driver's side, if you can see. It's kind of hard to see there we go. It looks like he's got little shift paddles and stuff. Obviously, it's pretty hardcore black, so it's hard to tell what they got going on there. It looks like they got carbon fiber on the top of the speed thing. All right, there it is. And let's shut that. Rolls nice. Looks pretty good. The outside looks pretty good, you know. Let's check the bottom. Flip it over so we can actually read. Lamborghini Centenario, scale 1/18, Maisto, made in China, Maisto.com. So there's the bottom. Little fat tires in the back, so you can tell they're skinnier in the front. Tires are supposed to be almost as big as Bugatti tires. That's like the only tire that's bigger than this car's. There's exhaust from the bottom, but let me compare it. Let me just show you guys quick. I was just looking at this. This is the 1/18 scale by Maisto. I'm gonna show you a 1/24 scale by Maisto right here. And this is the Aventador 1/24, which looks really cool, but man, that 1/18 obviously looks quite a bit bigger. Might be kind of hard to tell from this but in person it looks pretty big difference. This looks more of an orange, that's more of a red. But let's just take a quick look at this and compare quality of the 124 and the 118. There's the engine. You can tell a big difference. The 118 is much nicer quality on the engine. There's the back. The wheels are kind of cool. All right, let's open this up, check out the interior quick. At least they added some color to this one. The color definitely helps, but they definitely, you know, not high quality. It's not too much worse than the other one, though, honestly. The seats actually look like it has better quality. The engine looks a lot worse on this one, though, but this one doesn't, the trunk doesn't pop on this one. But, ooh, do the wheels turn? Yep, the wheels turn. The wheels do not turn on this one. So let me see if the steering wheel turns, guys. If you're still in here hanging with me, you guys are awesome. These are going to get a lot more fun, guys. I'm going to be getting a lot nicer cars and stuff. Let me know what you want to see. Let's see if the steering wheel turns. Barely. You can just barely see it turn. So it slightly does, but not much. So, all right, guys, if you like this, give it a like. Be excited for the new cars I have coming. I have one more 124 scale to do, which isn't like super high quality or anything. But like I said, I'm just trying to learn YouTube, guys, build up a little audience, people that actually enjoy watching car reviews and just want to hang out and talk about cars and die-cast cars and all that stuff. So after that, on Friday, I have an auto art coming, and from then on, I'm going to be doing nice cars. So that'll be it for cheap cars. So just hang in with me a little bit longer. Leave a like just to support this channel. And let me know what kind of cars you guys want to see in the comments. All right, peace.